I'm full-time institutional crypto trader, and in this video I'm going to break down exactly how much money I have earned with Bitcoin and Ethereum trading over the last year, and also the best trading strategies that I used. So let's go! And the goal was back then to show that even with $2,000 it's possible to make nice profit. And as you can see, already at the end of February, my balance was equal to $2,112. And as a result, $110 profit was made in the first month. And this is quite nice result, because it was the profitability of 5% in 1 month, with a trading strategy that has a quite low risk. And this was exactly when Ethereum dropped almost 33% in only 1 month. So my portfolio had a gain of 5%, and Ethereum in this period of time dropped 33%. So this was quite good result. Next month, starting with $2,112, I was trading a lot. But unfortunately, Ethereum dropped even lower from $2,000 to almost $1,400, or another almost 40%. And as a result, because of very high volatility, I got an unrealized loss of $52 at the end of the March. And the total balance of my portfolio was equal to $2,060. But after that, I was able to increase the portfolio value to $2,300 in the end of May, to $2,600 in end of July, and to almost $2,800 at the end of October. And this was almost 40% of profit from initial portfolio value of $2,000. And as you can see, my public portfolio had the highest value at the end of October, during very high volatility in the market, and the worst crypto crash during only one single day on the 10th of October. That day, Ethereum dropped 23% in one single day. And by the way, all episodes of my public portfolio you can find on my channel. But as Ethereum price dropped even lower in November, my portfolio was affected as well. And exactly what happened that month I explained in my portfolio update. But in short summary, because of the poor liquidity, I was not able to manage my position successfully. And as a result, that month I had an unrealized loss of $200. And my portfolio balance dropped from almost $2,800 to $2,586. And as a result, the portfolio value dropped by 7%. But still, it was not that bad comparing to Ethereum price decline of almost minus 25% in the same period of time. So from almost $4,000 to $3,000. And I was still $586 in profit comparing to initial balance of $2,000. Since then, Ethereum is trading in a range. And if we take the overall performance over the year, we can see that Ethereum ended up almost 10% lower comparing to the beginning of the year. And exactly the same situation we can observe with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin ended up with 6% lower than at the beginning of this year. Meanwhile, S&P 500 in 2025 gained roughly 18%. But the highlight in this year was gold, which gained almost 74%. And 74% between one single year is a crazy profitability. But better than gold is silver, which gained a crazy profitability of almost 190% at the end of 2025. And by the way, if you would like to learn more how I trade, you can join my free Discord channel, where I share with you some market updates and also chat with you. So see you in my Discord channel. And as you can see, this was not the strongest year for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if I would invest at the 1st of January 2025, at the end of 2025, I would have almost 10% loss. But because I was trading actively during this year, my portfolio value increased. And right now my total account value is equal to $2,700. which is not the new all-time high of my public portfolio, but still is much better than it was in the previous month. As you can remember, at the end of November, the total account value was $2,586, and right now the account value is equal to $2,707. And this is a surplus of $121 in this month. But still it's a bit less than it was at the peak. But let's take a look at the total profitability that I was able to earn in 2025. And the total profitability since the launch of the portfolio is equal to more than 35%. And this is quite good result comparing to a negative performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2025. Yes, this is not multiple X of profit, but I follow the different strategy. My strategy is to make consistent passive income over the months with a very small drawdown, with a small risk and high returns. And as you can see, the drawdowns are not that high. For example, as Ethereum price in November dropped almost 30%, my portfolio value lost only 7%. And as Ethereum price in December stayed in a trading range, I was able to recover almost the full loss that I had. Is 35% of total return a high return? That's quite difficult to answer. But if you take a look at the total profitability of the hedge funds in the world, we can see that the biggest hedge fund gainers in 2025 have 45% of return. And if we take a look at the Bridgewater hedge fund, which is one of the most legendary hedge funds in the history, we can see that the Bridgewater has a total return between 20 and 37% in 2025. And this is with the fact that S&P 500 ended up with almost 18% at the end of this year. And considering the fact that Bitcoin ended up lower in the 2025, I am quite happy with a total profitability of 35% in 2025. And as always, my trading strategy is very simple. I have hedged amount of $2,400 that generates me almost 5% per year. And also in addition to that, I am selling the options, put and calls. And most of the time I'm selling put options for Ethereum with a low delta, with a short-term maturity to have the highest profitability with a possibly low risk. So all the positions are covered, so that means I don't use any leverage. Because I would like to have the low risk as possible and generate consistent passive income. And as you can see, with this strategy, it was possible to earn more than $700 starting with only $2,000. And I'm quite happy with my result. And if you would like to learn more about this strategy, I have full step-by-step guide how to sell put options. And you can watch how to sell put options on Bybit exchange and also on Deribit exchange. See you in the next video. Bye!